Hi everyone, it's me, Wei Xiang here. A very good evening to all of you. Today I am going to share a question taken from one of the parents who have actually posted it up on this Math Model Method Group Singapore. This question actually comes from Primary 3. It is a little bit on the more difficult side, but actually it can be solved very much easily using the Math Model Method. Okay, today I hope that the audio and the lighting and the streaming quality is going to be better. To be very honest, I can't see what are the reactions coming to you right now because I don't have a monitor screen. I can only record or I can only go live the way I am now. Okay, so just before I begin, if the transmission does happen to break out at any point in time, I do apologize in advance for it. But I do believe that today's transmission will be much better than the past few ones that I have done. Okay, so without further time being wasted, I would also like to say thank you to all of you for coming in today at 9 p.m. because I need to travel for my last lesson. My last lesson ended at 8:30 and I need to travel over to this place to be able to get this done. Okay, alright, so here goes for today's question. The total cost of a handbag and 4 similar bottles of perfume is $582. Okay, now each bottle of perfume costs $102 less than a handbag. Now find the total cost of a handbag and a bottle of perfume. Now this question, although it came out at Primary 3 for this particular parent, it can appear at Primary 4, 5 or even 6. It's just that at Primary 6 this is not going to be a 4-mark question, it's probably going to be only 3. Okay, so how am I going to solve this? It might be very confusing for a Primary 3 student. So Primary 3 students, how am I going to break this down for them? Well, first of all, we want to read it line by line for them. Okay, so we go for the first line. The total cost of a handbag and 4 similar bottles of perfume is $582. Now, ask our child, what is being bought here? Okay, so we bought 1 handbag, okay, and 4 similar bottles of perfume. Okay, your child should be able to tell you that yeah, there is 1 handbag and 4 bottles of perfume. Okay, and do we know the cost of a bottle of perfume? No. But what is it about the cost of the bottle of perfume that we know? Well, we know that the bottle of perfume costs $102 less than a handbag, and we know that they all cost $582. So now we'll ask our child, okay, can we then first of all start by drawing one comparison model between one handbag and 1 bottle of perfume? Yeah, why not? They would have learned this by now. Okay, so we start by drawing 1 bottle of perfume. So I start with this. Okay, and 1 handbag. Now, the handbag costs $102 more, the perfume costs $102 less. So, I will draw a smaller box for the perfume and a bigger box for the handbag. Okay? Now, then ask our child, okay, how many bottles of perfume did he buy? 4. So, if this is 1, what am I going to do? Well, my students, they know this as the Jenga model, the Jenga method, like they stack it up like Jenga. So, okay, I have 1, actually I need another 3 more to get 4, so I'll just draw another 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bottles of perfume I'll add on here. 4 bottles of perfume and 1 handbag. And what is the total cost? Well, the total cost here is $582. So from this point onwards, it's going to be very easy. Okay, we want to get rid of this extra portion here because once we get rid of this, we can see very clearly we have 5 units. So 5 units would therefore be $582 minus away $102, and you will get $480. Now, 1 unit would therefore be 480 divided by 5, and that will give me $96. Well, this means that this perfume, one bottle of perfume, is going to be $96. Now the question is actually asking for the total cost of a handbag and a bottle of perfume. So you need to find the cost of a handbag. And how am I going to find the handbag? Well, it will be $102 plus $96, and that would be $198. So what's the total cost? Well, 198 plus 96, and you will get 294. The answer, 294. Now some parents are asking, do we need to get our child to write statements? Well, it really depends on the teacher. For myself, I want my students to write statements, but actually at primary 5 and primary 6 at the PSLE, the statements are not really needed. Okay, so there you have it, how to solve a very simple question, or rather a question that looks very complicated but actually can be done very easily using the model method. This is how I teach. If you like how I teach, this is how my staff in my tuition center teach as well. If you are interested to get us to tutor your child, well, do drop us a message. Okay, hit the send message button on my page and I will respond as soon as I possibly can. Alright, in the meantime, have a good evening ahead and have a good day tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay, same time at 9 p.m. I'll be doing a question from primary 6, okay, and I'll be making a very important announcement tomorrow after the sharing. Alright, so till tomorrow, have a good evening, good night, bye bye.